Dilly the brave duck. In a quiet little pond, there lived a small yellow duck named Dilly. She loved to swim, splash, and play with the other ducks. But Dilly had one problem: she was afraid of the big blue lake nearby. "All the brave ducks swim there," said her friend Tom. Dilly shook her head. "It's too big and too deep," she whispered. One morning, a strong wind blew across the pond. Suddenly, a tiny duckling got carried toward the big lake. "Help! Help!" cried the little duckling. All the ducks were scared. No one moved. Dilly's heart started beating fast. She looked at the frightened duckling. "I'm scared, but I must try," she said. With a deep breath, Dilly jumped into the water and swam as fast as she could. The waves were big, but she didn't stop. Finally, she reached the duckling and gently pushed it back to safety. All the ducks cheered, "Hooray for Dilly!" Dilly smiled. The big lake wasn't so scary anymore. From that day on, Dilly became the bravest duck in the pond. Being brave doesn't mean you are not scared. It means you try even when you are afraid.